welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. As we move into the holiday week, we hope you all are having a wonderful time with your families and sewing up a storm. We've got a few exciting things that we are doing today and through the rest of the week. We've got the 12 Days of Christmas still going on today, which is today is the 20th, so we are taking 20% off all regular priced kits, and then through the rest of the week we've got some things going on as well. We're doing our gift card sale, so for every $100 you purchase in gift cards, you get an extra $20, so that is all the way up to $500 per person. So these are always a really great thing to get around Christmas time, and they are a fantastic gift for the quilter or sewist in your life. And then for after Christmas, we've got a few classes if you're wanting to, use all your goodies you got for Christmas. We've got our wool mittens class coming up. That one is on the 27th. And then we've got our running with scissors class. So if you want to, make something to put all your shiny new notions in that you got for Christmas, you can sign up for this class as well. We've still got some space in there. So definitely join us for those classes a little later. The day after Christmas is just a free sew day. So if you want to sign up to just come sew in our classrooms, like I said, with all of your new Christmas goodies, stop by. You do have to sign up just to reserve a spot, but otherwise definitely come on in and sew with us. We do still have some other sort of sales going on right now leading up to Christmas. Right now we have this lovely display of all sorts of good sewing themed things. Everything on this table is 20% off, so lots of really great grab and go gift ideas. So kind of for the sewer who has everything, we've kind of curated a bunch of little things that we think any quilter would absolutely love. So if you're looking for ideas, you can come on over here and check out some things. We've got some really great scissor sets, some individual scissors, some kind of more notion-y things as well, some really neat patterns and wonderful hardware as well. So lots of really exciting things here, and we hope you stop by in the next week and maybe pick something up. We still have all of our Christmas stuff up front here. It'll be up here through Christmas, so we do have some fabric left if you want to come make any last minute presents. All of the fabric is 25% off, and all Christmas panels are 40% off still. So some really neat stuff up here. We also have our Santa sacks that are very popular. An awesome present idea or to put presents in. These are super fun and easy. It's just a little cinch sack. As you can see, we've got a few different variations. So this one here is the ornaments, and we've got a few different styles, some more fun, whimsical, childlike ones, a Star Wars one, and just some other fun Christmas themed ones. So if you're looking for a fast project, you can put all of your little sewing gifts in here, or it's a fun project to do too, so you could just gift the kit itself. So these are also 20% off. And we're gonna head back through here. We've still got some really amazing cuddle and flannel throughout this aisle. So as we move into winter, as you're working on your warm and cozy projects, we've still got lots of fabric to use there. And like I said, all of our regular priced kits are on sale. So any that you see hanging up in the store that have a little kit that goes along with it all of these just today will be 20% off. And moving back on over here, we have a new line to show you. This one right here is the new Gradations 2 line from Northcott. It's their Stonehenge fabric. We have a lot of their neutrals, but we also have these lovely new brighter colors that we just got in. Some lovely purples and blues. So all of these lovely ones will be worked into our Stonehenge fabric. And as you can see here, all of our neutrals are here as well, but you've got all of these really awesome organic sort of rocks and minerals sort of designs on each of these. So it works really well with a variety of projects, which is very neat. So we will be working these into this little aisle right here. And scooching back down this aisle, we have one last kit of one of our kits that we wanted to show you. It's the Northern Tracks, which is right here. It's this lovely kit from Northcott. Have their beautiful watercolor-like styling. This one, large panel in the center. Those really cool bears. Got some bear paw blocks in the corners, which is a nice detail. So this one is the last one, and it is also 20% off. So if that is the kit for you, definitely stop by and grab that before somebody else does. Okay, working around the corner here, we've got a couple other fun, fast projects to show you. We just made little kits for these really cute little zippy pouches. So in one kit, which is right here, we have one left of the hollow stars, which are these little holographic stars print on this vinyl. You get all of the hardware you need and the zippers, and one of these little kits makes two of the little triangle zippy pouches. So we have the cute little hollow stars, and we also have it in this really cute little sparkly glittery pink vinyl. So very fun, super fast and easy project. They go together very quickly. So if you're looking for a last minute gift, this is a really great idea. So these will be on sale today too. And then we do still have some of the boxy bag kits also. These are also great, fast and easy projects. We've got a couple versions for you. This black one with the green, which is a little more masculine. So if you're looking for a gift for a brother or a father, you know, it would work for that. And then we've also got it in this really beautiful cork with this sort of silver metallic, which is really beautiful. So more of a feminine version. And of course we have lots of inspiration ideas for if you just wanted to buy the pattern and then do your own cork, which we've got lots of cork as well. Some really nice vinyl over here. Lots of really great ideas for materials as well. So lots of really great projects. And then coming up to the counter here, we've got another line to show you. This one is Treasures at Sea, a new sort of under the sea collection that we just got in from QT Fabrics. So we have the panel and all of the coordinating fabrics that go along with it. And then we also have the kit that has everything you need to put the quilt together. which we have a sample for you here to take a look at, so you can see it all made up. So really cool panel just right there in the center, and you've got some great sort of piecing to really accentuate that center panel there, with this beautiful coral fish fabric as the border. So really fun, easy project. Again, great if you're looking for something sort of fun and whimsical, or you know somebody who really likes the under the sea theme. This one kind of has a treasure feel to it with this sunken ship, and the treasure in there, so very whimsical as well. So another great new collection there from QT. Very excited to have this one out on the floor for you to take a look at. So that is the end of our little tour today. Just a little reminder on a few things. Make sure you check out our 12 Days of Christmas. We're going to have something different, 20% off every day through Saturday, so leading up to Christmas. So take a look at each day. Make sure you see which one you wanna come out for. Today is a really good one. It's 20% off kits. I have a feeling Friday is going to be really popular because it's 20% off thread. So definitely check all of those out and see which ones you wanna stop by for, if not all of them, because they're awesome deals. Little gifty table up at the front there with lots of great things. So come take a look at that if you're wanting inspiration or you need ideas for quilters. And then our gift card sale, which is going through, I think we're having that actually go through Christmas, so you can get them online as well through on Sunday and Monday, because we're not open here. And then, but you can call in or come in for those gift cards through Saturday, so definitely do that as well. Which is a great point to make. I will mention just that we will not be open on Monday because that is Christmas, so don't stop by at any point because we will not be open, but we hope everyone has a wonderful Christmas, and a big thank you to everyone here at the Quilting Bee for having a wonderful Christmas season with us and supporting us, and we hope that you have a wonderful rest of your holiday season. So thank you very much, and we will see you next Wednesday.